What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. On this channel we are all about coding, cool tech unboxings and mastering AI tools that can level up your productivity. If that sounds like your kind of content, then go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow us for more videos like this. Alright, let's jump right into today's video. Welcome to this course, Introduction to HTML for Absolute Beginners. In this course, you will learn how to build the structure of a website using HTML, the foundation of every web page on the internet. We will start with the very basics, understanding how HTML works, writing your first lines of code, and creating simple web pages. Then we'll move on to more important elements like headings, paragraphs, links, images, lists, and forms. You don't need any prior experience to follow along. Everything will be explained step by step in a simple and practical way. By the end of this course, you'll be able to create well-structured web pages and have a solid foundation to continue your journey into web development. So, who is this course for? This course is perfect for complete beginners who have little or no experience in programming and want to start learning web development from the scratch. And also, if you're already a programmer and want to refresh your knowledge or strengthen your foundation in HTML, then this course will help you get back up to speed quickly and clearly. What you should know before taking this course: you should know how to use a computer. You should be able to navigate your way around it. You should also know how to access the internet and navigate around the internet. What you will learn in this course: this course is divided into 4 main sections. The first section is about how to program using HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and also the second section will be how to program using CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Styles Sheet, and we will cover its definitions during the course. The third section will cover how to program with JavaScript. So JavaScript is one of the main languages you use to develop web-based applications. The fourth section is a small section that will deal with small projects. At the moment, we'll just have one project in there, but we can build on that and make it bigger. What will you achieve at the end of this course? At the end of this course, I expect you to know how to create a basic HTML document structure, also how to write a basic HTML code. So you should be able to use tags and open and close the tags appropriately. Also, I will expect you to know how to apply styling using CSS to your HTML documents. Finally, I will expect you to know how to change the contents of a web page using JavaScript. If that sounds like your kind of content, then go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow us for more videos like this.